This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, high-intensity headlights, hill start assist, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, privacy glass, side impact airbags, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Acura Fremont is located at 5700 Cushing Parkway in Fremont. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.